Do you have a problem where you can't see Facebook dating on your Facebook app? Then we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how you can fix the Facebook dating option not showing. So if you want to use this new feature from Facebook called Facebook Dating, but when you open the app it's not showing down at the shortcuts bar or you simply can't access it, then let's open up our Facebook app. When I open the app, you can see that I don't have the dating option in my shortcuts bar at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on this menu button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and we can see all of our shortcuts in the menu section. What you want to do is to tap on the See More button in order to expand your shortcuts, and that's where the Facebook dating option will be. When you tap on it, you can set up Facebook dating and start to use it. Maybe it was hidden under the See More button and that's why it didn't show up for you. But if you expand these shortcuts and still don't see the dating option, then there are a couple of reasons for that. I'm gonna exit the Facebook mobile app and open up Safari. In Safari, I'll search for Facebook dating requirements and you can do that as well. Facebook has this article where it tells us about the different requirements that our profile must meet in order to have this option. It says here that you have to be at least 18 years or older, you have to have an account that is at least 30 days old, and you have to live in a country where the Facebook dating feature is available. And the last thing that it says here is that if you delete your dating profile, you can't make a new one for 7 days. Now you can scroll a little bit down and see the list of countries where Facebook dating is available. You want to check out this list and see if your specific country is on here. If you can't see your country here, then that means Facebook dating isn't available for your region yet and you will have to wait a couple more weeks or months until Facebook rolls out the feature for your region. But if you do see your country on this list but don't have the feature on your profile, then I have another solution for you. You want to exit this and open the settings on your device. Then go to the General section, find the iPhone storage option and click on it. This will show us a list of every single app we have on our iPhone. But if you use an Android you want to clear the cache in the Facebook mobile app, delete the app and then go to your Google Play Store and reinstall Facebook. But if you are an iPhone user then you want to offload the app, and after it offloads you can reinstall it. What this will do is it will clear the bugs or the unnecessary data that the app may have, and you can just open up your Facebook app and check if you have the Facebook dating option on your profile. I hope that these methods worked for you, and if they did, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.